Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window of Netflix and you click here in this page. After that, in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.